Welcome to Dr. Zakir Math. Today we are going to approximate a function value using Lagrange's interpolating polynomial. Instead of solving everything by hand, I'll show you a fast way using FX991 ES Plus calculator. So you can get the answer in minutes. Okay, right. Let's start. Use Lagrange's interpolating polynomial to approximate f of 8.4. This is the value you are going to approximate for the following data. What is the data? 8.1, 8.3, 8.6, 8.7. The value which you're going to approximate is 8.4 is here. So it means your answer between what? 17 point something to 18 point something. Keep in your mind. And the point is very near, which is 8.4. 8.6 is little far away. So the answer is definitely just nearer to what? 17.888 something nearer to that. Okay, right. It's a degree 3, right? Degree 3 means what? 4 points. So we are going to write the formula for 4 points. So what is the formula? Y equals x minus x1, right, times x minus x2 times x minus x3 divided by, right, x0 minus x1, right, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus x3 times y0. Teacher, how I remember this formula? Very easy to remember, I'll tell you. Look here, there is no x0 in the numerator, right? Here you start with x0. Start with what? x0. So see here, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. Where is x0 minus x0, teacher? x0 minus x0 will not come because it will become 0. 0 becomes what? Infinity. In the numerator, look here, x minus x1, right? There is no x0. X minus x2, x minus x3, right? Plus the next one. The next one is, we are going to put it as x, I'll write here, okay? So which is x minus x0 here. There is no x1. There is no x1. So x minus x0, x minus x2 and x minus x3. Okay. Right. And then divided by no x1. And in the down start with x1. So what is that? x1 minus x0. Right. x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. Right. Times y1. Times means multiply. And then plus we're going to write the next one. The next is x minus, there is no x2, keep in your mind. So x minus x0, x minus x1 and x minus x3, okay. And then you're going to start with x2. So x2 if you start, which is x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1 and x2 minus x3, okay, right, times y2 plus, you write the formula next, x minus x0, what it should be here? No x3, right? X minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, right? Over, you're going to start from what? x3. So x3 minus x0 and x3 minus x1 and x3 minus x2 times y3. Okay, everybody? Right, again I'm telling, no x0. You can see x0 on the numerator. Here start with x0. Here no x1 and start from x1, right? No x2, start from x2. And no x3 and start from x3. Very easy to remember. Now the next important point. What is the formula you are going to type in the calculator? That is the formula I'm going to write. So on calculator, I'm going to type is capital Y is equal to, you know where is A, B, C, D, A, X, Y, Z, everything, right? Bracket open. What is the value you are going to approximate? The approximation value will be what? 8.4. So this is the value you are going to take it. So y equals 8.4 minus capital A, 8.4 minus capital B, 8.4 minus capital C. Okay, this is 8.4 over, right? What is this? Over, right? Over S. In the denominator, x minus A, x minus B and x minus C, right? So there is no space. I will write on the corner. So which is y equals, right, 8.4 minus A, 8.4 minus B and 8.4 minus C, right, divided by, right, x minus A, x minus B and x minus C. This is the formula you're going to type. And then there is a multiply symbol. This is multiply in the calculator. Multiply, not x, multiply. Multiply capital Y and then colon F is equal to F plus capital Y. So this is the rule you are going to type in the calculator. Can I box this one if is possible? right? So I'll box this one, right? And I'll stop the video and then I will type this formula and then I'll come back to you. Yes, I typed the formula in the calculator. Before you type the formula, look, very important, restart your calculator. Very, very important, because some values will be stored earlier. So restart your calculator, the first point. And the second point is you fix your calculator for 4 decimal places, because the decimal place is not mentioned. So it is 4 decimal places. Keep in your mind. So I type this formula, right? Now after typing the formula, you should know all the things very carefully. Look here, there is a 3 setup, minus a, minus b, minus c. So on the calculator, right, this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. Next setup, a, this is b, this is c. And this is a, this is b, this is c. This is a, this is b, this is c. And it will ask you in the calculator this capital X also. This is your capital X for this step. This is your capital X for the second step. And this is your capital X for the third step. And this is your capital X for the fourth step. This is your X3. Okay, this is your X3. Keep in your mind. This is your capital X for the next step. Right. So keep in your mind. Remaining all. What is your Y? It will ask Y also. For the first step, this is your Y. For the first step, this is your Y. For the second step, this is your Y. Okay. And for the third step, this is your Y. And the fourth step, this is your Y. Right. Okay, teacher. When it is asking A, B, C, what should I do? This is your X0. This is your X1. And this is your X2. This is your X3. This is your Y0. And this is your Y1. This is your Y2. And this is your Y3. Okay. When the calculator is asking A, X1 is this your X1. Okay. When the calculator is asking B, X2, and this is your X2. When the calculator is asking C, and this is your X3. Similarly, it follows. Okay. So I type the formula in the calculator. Let us start now. Press calc. After typing this one, press calc. Okay. Right. When you press calc, let me start. What it's asking, I'll tell you. Okay. When it press calc, it will ask you a question mark. Asking, just check it out. It will ask a question mark. So what is your A in the first one? This is the A. What is your A here? X1. What is your X1? 8.3. Press equal. It will ask B. What is your B? B is X2. What is that? 8.6. Press equal. Then it will ask C. What is your C? C is X3. What is that? 8.7. Press equal. It is asking capital X. This is your capital X. What is your capital X? X0. What is your X0? 8.1. Press equal. It is asking Y. This is your Y0. What is your Y0? Your Y0 is 16.94410. Press equal. Now the calculator will ask you F question mark. The calculator will ask you what? F question mark. Don't give any value. Don't give any value for F. Once the F comes, just press equal sign. Don't give any value for F. Just press equal sign. If you press equal, it will give you Y value. Don't write anything. Just again press equal. It will give you F equals F plus Y. Don't do anything. Again press equal. It will ask A. Now you give this A value. What is your A? X0. What is your X0? 8.1. Press equal. What is your B? X2. X2 is what? 8.6. Press 8.6. Then what is your C? X3. X3 is what? C, which is 8.7. Press equal. It is asked capital X. This is your capital X. Okay. So what is your capital X? Which is X1. What is your X1? 8.3. Press equal. It is asking capital Y. What is your Y? Your Y is what? This one, which is Y1. What is your Y1? Which is 17.56492. Press equal. Don't do anything for F. Again press equal. Don't do anything. Y value is coming. Again press equal. Don't do anything. Again press equal. It is asking A question mark. What is your A here? X0. What is your X0? Which is 8.1. Press equal. It is asking B. What is that? X1. Which is 8.3. Press equal. It is asking C. What is your C? Which is X3. Which is X3. X3, which is what? X3 is 8.7. 8.7. Press equal. It is asking capital X. What is your capital X? Which is X2. What is your X2? Which is 8.6. Press equal. It is asking Y. What is your Y? Which is Y2. What is your Y2? Y2 is 18.505 and then 15. Press equal. Don't give any value for f. Don't touch the next y value. Press equal. Again press equal. Again press equal. It will ask a question mark. So what is your a? Your a is x naught. What is your x naught? 8.1. Press equal. What is your b? Your b is x1. x1 is what? 8.3. Press equal. And what is your c? x2, which is 8.6. Press equal. What is your capital X? Your capital X is x3. Capital X is what? x3. So where is x3? 8.7. 8.7. Press equal. What is your capital Y, which is y3? y3 is 18.82091. Press equal. Don't touch the value f. Just press equal. Again it will give you y value minus 4.7052. Do not do anything. Again press equal. You will get f is equal to f plus y. This is your final answer. So you're going to write the answer. Y is equal to, the answer is 17.8771. No need to write y, which is f of 8.4 is equal to 17.8771 is the answer for you. Clear all of you? Very easy. So nice. Right. Teacher, I don't want this formula on the calculator. How I'll remember? Very easy. See here, the value which you're going to approximate, minus a, minus b, minus c. Okay, in the down it is what? X minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Then multiply by this y. So a colon, f is equal to f plus y. That's it. No teacher, I don't want this formula. I wanted to do directly. Okay, directly you do. Put x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3, x0. Everything you put one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Everything you put. And then press calculator, you must get 17.8771. Clear? So again I'm telling, using calculator, you will get the answer in maximum 10 minutes. I explained to you it's 12 minutes it took. You can finish in 6 to 8 minutes. You can finish this question. Clear all of you? Right. So what we did using calculator, we approximated f of 8.4. So try this on your own calculator with a different set of points. It's a real time saver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My dear numerical method students, please like the video. And I'll see you in the next video with more practical calculator math tricks. Until then, it's bye from Dr. Zahir. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.